Hi, I am Indra. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make a peach cobbler. So let's get started. Hi guys, let's go over some basic ingredients to make the peach cobbler. Here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 stick of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and I reserved 1 cup of the liquid from the canned peaches. Here I have 1 cup of flour, 2 29-ounce cans of peaches that I already drained. See in the next step. Guys, my oven is preheating on 375 degrees. So next I'm going to go ahead and melt the butter in the oven. Next I'm going to add the cornstarch to the peach liquid and mix well. Next I'm going to add in the cornstarch liquid to the peaches. Quarter cup of sugar. Cinnamon powder. Next, let's move on over to the stove. Next, you want to cook the peaches on low heat until the liquid is thickened up. See in the next step. Next, I'm going to add in the baking powder, the sugar, and the milk to the flour. And mix well. Here the butter is melted, so next I'm going to go ahead and pour the flour mixture all over the butter. Guys, do not turn the mixture. Next I'm going to go ahead and add in the peaches. Guys, I just placed them randomly all over. So next I'm going to put it in the oven to bake at 375 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes or until it's golden brown. See in the next step. Guys, the peach cobbler came out amazing. Next I'm gonna go ahead and plate it out and show you what it looked like. See in the next step. There you have it, guys. The peach cobbler came out absolutely delicious. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.